Hello, Silla fam. Welcome back to the Silla family. Welcome back to a new video, y'all. Oh my God, Mama, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Silla fam.
Mommy, can I tell them the news?
Can you say hi first?
Hi. Okay.
Okay, guys, we are here. Oh my God.
Mommy.
This is my life, y'all.
Mommy.
Balu was just telling me,
Mommy.
since I want to show you guys my life. Huh? What?
Mommy, tell them the news.
What is the news?
So today, guys, we're going to be unboxing my mom's diesel light.
Yes, guys. I am. Mommy, can you leave me alone?
Mommy,
Can I finish talking to Silla fam first?
Mama, come on here. Mommy, sit down. What's in the middle?
Sit down where?
Guys, comment down below. Rate it 1 to 10.
This is all he wants. Look at this. Look.
Can I open it? No.
Okay, guys. On today's video, I want to unbox my Diva ring light with y'all. I've been waiting for this light forever now. Like, I'm so excited. I am beyond excited. And now I know my video will be more lighter and brighter. And that's why I'm so excited, because I know everybody that does video, they have this Diva ring light that really bright the video image. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you won't miss any new video. Say hi, Mbalu.
Hi, Mama.
Who likes Mbalu hair? Comment down below if you like this beauty right here. I just caught her back spray, but she doesn't like it.
Oh.
She says she doesn't like short hair, but I'm loving it. I just want her to wear this just for tomorrow for school. It looks good on you though.
I don't like
This girl is just 8 years old and she loves longer hair.
I'm gonna get the 6 braids the time my mom's gonna braid my hair, right?
Maybe, girl, maybe. But yeah, with any further ado, hit the subscription button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will not miss any of this vibe. Hey, hey.
And
So yeah.
And guys, make sure if you don't subscribe,
You say make sure? She
Okay.
said make sure. Okay.
Wait.
Make sure. Like Mbalu said make sure.
Okay. Make sure if you're not subscribed, you're not in the family, and if you're not in the family, you cannot get the good vibes. So goodbye.
Yes, y'all. With any further ado, stay tuned. We're gonna unbox this box together.
Flex on them haters.
You guys, by the way, this video is not sponsored by Amazon, but I would like to give a shout out to Amazon, because if you have an Amazon Prime, trust me, you will get your package so fast. This box took me like just a day. I ordered this and the next day my package was here. Boom. So shout out to you, Amazon.
Bad girl, go down. Aye. Kofi Annan. Let me see you do the Kofi Annan. Aye. Kofi Annan. Bad girl, go down. Aye. Kofi Annan. Let me see you do the Kofi Annan. Aye. Kofi Annan. Bad girl, go down. Aye. Chapter 1. He come to my house with a bag of money and he said that he want take me to Paris, Australia and somewhere. Verse 2. I don't know what to say, so I'm speaking in a lingua. Verse 3. All my other friends, and they talk and they sing, but right now. Verse 4. I want talk to my men now, give me some space now. I want talk to my men now, give me some space now. For my country, all the big boys wear bada. For my country, all the fine girls like Pena. If you be rap, you be single. If you be anything you want, do a lingo. Do a zondo. Bad girl, go down, right? If you be rap, you be single. If you be anything you want, do a lingo. Do a zondo. Bad girl, go down, right? Kofi Annan. Let me see you do the Kofi Annan. Kofi Annan. Bad girl, go down, right? Kofi Annan. Let me see you do the Kofi Go fear none. Hey, go fear none. Bad girl, I beg the bomb baby. I know this I get it, but I got rap for you. And if I rap for you.
You guys be careful with the top because it's fragile, but it's very easy to set it up. It took me for about maybe 2 minutes to set it up. It's like a 1, 2, 3 easy step to set it up. So I love this thing so much, and it's like the color is very shining and bright. As you can see, my kids are already enjoying this ring light. They're loving it. I'm loving it. So far, so good. So this is the final product. It was just to set it up and see how it's gonna look, how the kids gonna react to it, and how I'm gonna react to it. My reaction was priceless because I was like, okay, I didn't put my money in the trash, so this is good for now.
Piano on the mix.
Go. Jump. Shit.
I'm not jumping. How will you bring it down a little bit? Can you bring it down? Let me see if I can see. Can I try too? This button.
I like this color better.
Bum, 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 bum.
Okay, guys, this was the unboxing my ring light. Come on, girl. End the video.
So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys love this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, like this video,
And hit the notification button.
and share this on other social media. Thank you so much for watching.
We love you guys. Peace. We out. Mylan, do you guys like my ring light?
Yeah!
Mama, you like it?
Yeah! But Papa have the on here.
Oh yeah, Papa have one of these?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
our
okay.
cousin, our older cousin.
Okay guys, my baby said they love the ring light, but I have to make sure the ring light is far away from their hands.
Yes.
Because I don't want nobody breaking this.
Yeah, but
And these are my crews. Come on. Say bye to the Silla fam. Don't forget to subscribe.